Welcome to WordPress. In WordPress sites, we use forms. Forms show response after successful or failed form submission. Usually form response is after the form, after form fields at the end, at bottom. Like this is our website. We go to contact page. Here we've got a form. And if we submit it, this is our response. This response is at the bottom of this form. Now, what if we want to show this response at the top of form or at the top of form and bottom? We can do that. I am using Contact Form 7 plugin for forms, so we will display a form response using the same plugin. I assume that you know how to use Contact Form 7 plugin. After Contact Form 7 plugin installation, it shows entry named as contact. Inside menu, it gives a submenu. From there, click at Contact Forms. This area shows created forms. Select one, like this is a form, we can edit it. Contact Form 7 provides a default form also. We can edit it and use its shortcode provided here in any page to display and use this form. This is our form template and this is our email template. We are talking about form template. Let's display response at the top of form. We can do that by using a tag. So at the top of form, use this tag with text response enclosed in brackets. Use it in the form template and save it. Go to contact page, reload it. And if now we submit the form, it doesn't show response at the bottom of form. Response is here at the top. Let's go to our form template, copy this response and paste it at the bottom of form template as well. Save. Go to page, reload the page, submit form, and now we have got the response at the bottom and at the top as well. Cool, right? Okay, now why on earth we need to show form response at the top and bottom? Well, that is because client is always right. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.